Section 4, number 7, you're going to state whether the triangles here are congruent. Private theorem name if the triangles are congruent. Let's take a look at A here. Well, we know that this is a bow tie problem, so we know that these angles are congruent by vertical angles. Now we can just label it. This looks like it is a side, this is an angle, and so this is side. So we can say congruent by side angle side. Let's look at B, right? Notice line RQ, it is shared between them, so these are also congruent. Now let's label it side, side, side. So we can say this is going to be congruent by side, side, side. Let's take a look at C. Oh, bow tie. So let's do vertical angles. Let's label it angle, side, angle. So we can say this is congruent by angle, side, angle. Let's do the next one, letter D. Oops, bow tie. So this is also congruent. Let's label it angle, angle, side. So this is going to be congruent by angle, angle, side. There you go. Make sure you understand anytime an angle is shared and they're reflection from each other, it is vertical angles, and any line that is shared, it is considered congruent using the reflex property.